Action. Look in the camera.
Hello. So she could perm my eyebrows. I'm sorry, perm my lashes.
Anyway, I'll edit that out. Look at the camera.
But, yeah, I was a little freaked out when my daughter said, "Hey mom, will you come be my model so I can perm your eyelashes?" I was extremely worried. Fought her a little bit. I conceded, no problem.
She didn't concede, no problem. It was a little rough. I had to blackmail her and tell her that I wasn't going to do anything for her ever again. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a very special video. I'm going to be talking about a DIY perming of your eyelashes, or what people are calling a lash lift. It's going to be on my mom, so I'm super excited to introduce her, and I can't wait for you guys to meet her. Come on over. Everybody say hi to Mama. This is Mary.
Hello.
The woman who raised me and made me the woman I am today. Okay, Mom, so what was your experience with the DIY at-home eyelash perm?
Okay, so I have to be completely honest. I was a little freaked out. Somebody getting some kind of perm solution near my eyes because of issues that my sister had when she got some perm solution in her eyes years ago, 30 years ago. Which kind of blinded her. I was a little freaked out, but you know what?
It only blinded her for a couple weeks, so it was fine.
Yeah,
but
it wasn't permanent.
A little bit of information about what we used. We used the Eyelash Perming Student Kit. We got this on Amazon for about $10. Hey everybody, so unfortunately I panned in a little too close on my mom. It was blurry. I'm going to go ahead and show you on myself how to size the perm rods, how to apply the lash glue, how to use tweezers to go ahead and place the lashes on the perm rod. My apologies that it's a little bit blurry, but hopefully this insert will help be a little bit more clear for you. What I did was I went ahead and sized the perm rod. I cut this because my eyes are not that long. Okay, some people's are longer. Mine are very circular and short. So I'll show you. You're just going to take one of these little perm rods depending on the size of your lashes. A small would be for short lashes, a medium would be for medium length lashes, and a long would be obviously for pretty long lashes to get a nice curl. I try not to go too small because I feel like mine would be a little bit too curled and they would hit up here, and I don't necessarily like that. I just want them to be kind of straight up. So what I did was I just took one of these, this is a small, and I just kind of cut it. You're going to size it, okay, to your eye. So you're going to be able to tell from here that this perm rod is way too long for my eyes. It goes all the way out here. Okay, so what I did was I just cut it to about here. Okay, so you can cut about that much off so it just fits your eye a little bit better. I really think that that's extremely important. I didn't start doing that probably until a couple months ago, and I feel like it's made a huge difference with the perm rod sticking to my eye. And apply the perm rod like so with the glue. And take the glue. I'm going to apply it like so, and just kind of think of it as like you're applying false lashes. Okay, you're going to want to get a pretty good amount on there, and you're going to want to apply it when it's tacky. So I kind of try to get it all over, just depending on what sticks on your eye. Okay, so this is all over, corner to corner, okay, like so. You can see the sheen. Okay, and then I'm just going to wait for it to be a little tacky, kind of move it around. Okay, now it's ready for me to apply. So you're just going to try to apply it as close to your lash line as possible. Okay, and then just kind of hold it down like so, so it dries. Okay. So you can go in and stick a little bit more in there just so that it stays. I've actually noticed that the one that comes with the kit, is a pretty solid eyelash glue. Okay, so you can use that one for this. Use your lash glue. Okay. And you're just going to put it on the perm rod here.
You want to get the whole entire perm rod with this eyelash glue, okay? Very important. You want your lashes to stay anywhere and everywhere that they can.
So I have the glue all over the entire perm rod. And I'm just going to pull those lashes up. Okay.
Just want to make sure everything is up.
So don't worry about the glue on your eyelashes. It's not going to interfere with the perm solution, okay? So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our #1 perm solution and we are going to just apply it to the lashes. You want to try to get it at the base of the lash because that's where we want the most curl, okay? You're going to want to saturate it as best as you can. This is what it should look like when you have the perm solution on it. And you should be all set.
love with my lashes. They look so awesome. I think the whole thing only took about 30 to 40 minutes.
About 45 minutes.
And I'm very happy. I'm over the moon with the way my lashes turned out. I love her and I want her always to succeed, and if I need to do something for her, I want to be here for her. So yes, I made it. I know she'd been doing her own eyelashes, so I know that she's done that several times and has not had any issues and just raves about it.
Results are fantastic, and I hope that it will cut down on her makeup routine, and I hope that this will help you guys too. Definitely a game changer for a lot of people with very straight eyelashes that even curling them doesn't help in the morning. Tune in next week. We'll have a new video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in.